If the evil queen from Snow White gazed into her enchanted mirror today, seeking solutions to perfect skin, the mirror might just whisper back, try retinol or microneedling or dermaplaning, or even at-home skincare lightening remedies. Oh, and don't forget the AI filters. This is the world of social media, where half-baked skin advice and DIY hacks have taken center stage. Here the influencers dissect the science behind beauty industry. They may not be wrong all the time, but can skincare science take one-size-fits-all approach? Not really. The skincare industry, promising picture-perfect beauty, is rife with misinformation, disinformation, and pseudoscience. For example, retinol is a favored ingredient among dermatologists. It can be used to address acne and early signs of skin aging. But not every skin may need retinol.
Skincare is truly like a double-edged sword because we think that it's all about beauty, but there are medical problems as well that arise as a part and parcel of having skin, right? It's an organ, it's the largest organ of your body.
Other at-home remedies like dermaplaning and microneedling can be dangerous hacks. These practices may result in nicks, cuts, scarring, or even post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Even popular tools like guashas and jade rollers may result in acne if overused.
I actually call this a social media trauma because they come to me with what they've used, seen online and done it to themselves. This could be like you just mentioned, dermaplaning. So they've gone overboard with dermaplaning, got themselves bruised and cut, through it. They've actually not realized that they really had no hair. They still dermaplaned, like invisible hair, and now they have visible hair. So things like this have happened. They've waxed at home with sugar wax, come and burn. This has happened to a bride 2 days before her wedding, and I had to literally put her on steroids to get her rectified. With retinols, it's an everyday phenomenon.
These DIY hacks, reckless use of chemicals, and relying only on social media for your tips and tricks might prove to be dangerous. Always consult an expert and seek medical advice. Read the full story to unravel the many layers of misinformation behind the picture-perfect surface of the skincare industry.